Okay, welcome to the YouTube channel. In previous video, we discussed about metals, semiconductors, and insulators. Now we are going to discuss further about our. We know we while watching while watching semiconductors. If you didn't watch current electricity, please watch a current electricity because the current electricity is branch of this chapter. So, okay, current electricity is art of semiconductors. If you know a current electricity, then you will know semiconductors. If you know semiconductors, then you will know capacitors. Capacitors topic. Okay, now we are going to discuss about about we are now going to discuss about conductivity, how to find conductivity of a semiconductor semiconductors conductivity see, we know that first what are the formulas we discussed in a current electricity we discussed that according to Ohm's law I is equal to V by R. From this we can write V is equal to IR. Okay, we know that R is equal to rho L by A, I is equal to NAVD, NA NAVD is equal to charge and into charge. Okay, we discussed all this. Okay, now from this and we also discussed that mobility is means d by means where drift velocity by electric field d by e. These are the topic which we are discussed in the current electricity. Okay, now we will let us out. We also know that current in semiconductors is due to holes and electrons. So current due to electrons plus current due to holes. From this we can write that I is equal to V by R. V is equal to IR we can write. We know that we know that I is equal to NAVDE. NAVDE plus we know that R is equal to rho L by A. From this we can write one. We have to find the conduct. They will ask about conductivity. We know that 1 by rho is called conductivity. So conductivity 1 by rho is called conductivity. Here see we also know that potential gradient V by L. In general we have to write minus dV by dL is equal to E. In general we can write V by L is equal to E. V by L is equal to E. Okay, now potential acting per unit length. See NA. From we can write NA VD drift velocity into charge into L by A. We know that length per unit see potential per unit length is electric field. From this we can write sigma is equal to NA V drift velocity by we know that potential per unit length is called electricity. Drift velocity per electric field is known as mobility. Okay, now here we can cancel the area term. From we can write here n drift velocity into mobility. We know the drift velocity by electric field. We know that it is mobility into charge. From this we can write a sigma conductivity of holes is equal to number of holes into mobility of holes into number of charge of holes. And here mobility of electrons can be written as number of electrons per unit volume into mobility of electrons into charge of electrons.